All right, you guys, so today we're going to learn how to do another version of the tubular stitch, but this one right here is going to have flowers. See how the flowers are entwined? This gives a very beautiful essence to this beautiful piece. So let me show you how to make this using that tubular stitch. First things first, you are going to go ahead and grab 4 beads. And then you're going to fold it in half. You're going to go ahead, go up one side, down the other side. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab 2 more beads and you're going to go up through this side. Then you're going to go down this side. Get 2 more beads, go down, then go back up. And you're going to do this till you have about 6 rows. So right now we have 4. So here goes our 5th one. And now we got our 6th one. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and fold this in half, and you are going to go ahead and go down this side. Okay. And now you're going to go back up this side. And let's go down this side one more time because we're going to want to start going in this direction. Okay, now our other threads are down here. This thread, our starting thread, is going to be right here. And it's going to be in that little circle. See how that turns into a circle? Now watch this. So what you're going to do is you're going to start grabbing 2 beads at a time. And you're going to go down by 1, creating that little V. Now I'm going to go ahead and go up through this side. I'm going to grab another color. I'm going to go down by 1, creating that little V. So this is what we have going on right now. I'm going to go back up through this side, grabbing 2 more colors, and now I'm going to go down through this side, creating that little V. All right, now once you have that, you're going to go ahead, go up through this side and up by 1. See how we went through this one and that one? That's what you want. Now we're ready for our next step. All right, you guys, so the next step is you get to add an additional color. So let's go ahead and grab a yellow and put it in between the middle of all our flowers. Now when we get to this part, because I want you to see that all of this, you see how it's all separated? Once you go like this from this one, you don't add an extra bead, you just put your thread in between it, and now you're merging them together. Then you grab your yellow. Then right here, you just merge them together. And that's how it's keeping all of this together to create that tubular effect. All right, so now that you've made it to the other end, the goal is to get the needle through here and through here. So you can go something like that. All right, now we're ready to go ahead and start our next row. The next thing you're gonna do is kind of like the fun part. You're gonna go ahead and grab one of each of the colors in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in there. I'm gonna grab the other 2 sets of colors, which are these 2. I'm gonna put it right through here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the next 2 colors, which are these. And I'm gonna go ahead and add it right through here. Now you're ready for the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that over by this one. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the additional whites in between. So there goes 1. Then I'm going to bring these 2 together. Then I'm going to add another bead. Then I'm going to bring these 2 together. And this is how it makes that flower, because now you're joining them all together. So now the last, because I'm at the last one, I'm going to go through both of these beads. And see how you just created the X mark for your first set of flowers. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our next one. So this is how you get your flowers to kind of twist around. So instead of me doing the same color green, now I'm going to do the one that's next to it, which is going to be the pink. And I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 pink, and I'm going to go through here. I'm going to add the 2 green, because the next one is the green, and I'm going to go through here. And now I'm going to add the blue. So here it goes. And I'm going to go through here. Now remember, whenever you get to the last one, you want to go through the 2. So we could start on the next color. So what do you think the next color is? Yellow. So go ahead and go through here. Now you're going to go ahead and skip this one. And you're going to go ahead and go through here. Put it through this one. Now go ahead and add that yellow again. It's all really repetitive, so it's easy to kind of keep track of. Now, since we're on the very last one, we're going to go through the last 2. So 1 and 2. All right. Now the next stage is you're going to go ahead and grab the colors that blend with it. So you're going to grab those 2. You're going to go to the next one, and you're going to go ahead and grab the 2 colors in between. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and grab the last 2 colors. And now, what do you remember? Since this is our last row, now we're going to go ahead and go up through the middle and now through that one. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the white bead in between. Merge those 2 together. Grab the white bead to go in between. Then we're going to merge the 2 colors together. Get a white one and go in between. And then now we're on our last 2, so it's that one and that one. Okay? And that's how you get the effect. So now you want to go ahead and close it up. So this is the way you're going to close it up. You're going to go ahead and grab 3 beads, and you're going to go ahead and go down this one. Okay? And this is what we're looking for right here. Now we're going to go ahead and go up this one. And you're going to go ahead and grab another 3 beads and go down this one. Okay? The important part is stacking it properly. Now we're going to go ahead and go through these 2. And then we're going to grab 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. This will be the last 3 beads we grab. And now you're going to go down that one. Okay? So now we have all of our stuff stacked. Okay, now that we're down here, we're going to go down by 1. And we're going to go ahead, bring it up by 1. And to make sure that these don't fully curl, we're going to go down by 1 again and up by 1. Okay, so now we did a roundabout. Now we're going to go down 1, up 1. Okay, fix the stack. Go down by 1 again and bring it back by 1. Okay. Now we're going to go down by 1, go up by 1, and do that same roundabout, down by 1, up by 1. Kind of adjust your beads. And there you go. Now you have your end, it's closed on both sides. You could adjust this better. I think I didn't adjust it the way that I probably should have, but there you go. So now we closed up one end, closed up the other. You can make this into a bracelet, you can make this into a necklace, but it makes a very charming piece once you kind of get the flowers going. It is an absolutely beautiful piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. What would you like to see next?
Learn techniques like this and more. Make sure you're registering for Beading University today.